Hello guys, it's Anshjelm and welcome to Anshjelm Restoration channel. And in this quick episode I am going to do these mesh wires for the balcony. This is a decorative thing for the balcony. And what I'm going to do is I cut this for the right size, and then I need to clear coat this because this is very rusty and I don't want that rust get everywhere, so I need to clear coat this. But let's start. And always safety first. Remember to secure your eyes and ears like this. Because that side was that big of a trouble when I drilled all the holes for the wires, I decided to go a different approach for this side. I only going to drill this and this, the both ends, and then with table saw I'm going to cut a hole or line for all these other spikes. And I hope that will be a better approach, but let's try, will this work? Okay, this was the first version I made, and as you saw me hitting this on its place, this is complete bullshit. Now I show you the second version, which is going to be the final version also, and it's this. I made this channel or slot for the mesh wire spikes and only drilled one hole for both ends, which makes this frame to be on its place. But when you fit this in its place, it's so easy to put on. So that is the way I'm going to do this. Check out how easy this is to put in. Ta-da! Okay, and the mesh wire and the frame is coated. I use clear coat for the mesh wire and I use same paint as the studio walls for the frame. So sorry I didn't record it, but I used a brush and it went pretty much like this. It's nothing that much of an interesting deal, so that's how I did it. And now I start carrying this to the balcony and start putting it on a frame. So here we go. Oh boy, it's ready! It's ready! And with the mesh wirings, the studio room is starting to be ready also. I am very happy about that. And here you can see my plan. I'm going to hang things on this wall, so as my channel grows and I do my projects, I'm going to put them on the wall or on the blocks or on the whiskey barrel, so you can kind of see how everything has been. And there is the backup wrench I already restored. There is the 2 kilogram weight. This is soon to be true project. Tell me in the comments what you think about this. Is this a good idea or not? Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, hit the like button. Even subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you are interested about what I am doing behind the scenes, find me from Instagram. It's Anshjelm Restoration. Now I see you in the next episode. Anshjelm out.